What makes this handle more universal than other triple levers is that it was designed to adapt to how people actually install and use hardware, not just to a single standard. The handle fits all mounting types, including side mount, front mount, and angled mount by using a modular base plate that rotates and repositions with a simple quarter turn. Its adjustable arm and bracket let you change reach and orientation on site without special tools, so you can set the lever length and offset to clear trim or window casings. Loosen the single captive screw, slide to the desired position, and retighten to lock. A spring-loaded return provides consistent tactile feedback and prevents sagging over time, and it can be tuned by replacing one indexed spring with a stiffer or softer alternative for different door weights. Multiple finishes are offered so you can match aesthetics while the core mechanism remains identical, reducing the need to stock many SKU variations. For retrofit jobs, measure the existing spindle length and faceplate screw centers, then use the included adapter shims to match non-standard dimensions rather than modifying the door. For installers working on mixed projects, carry a small kit containing the base plate, 2 arm lengths, and 2 spring options, so you can complete most jobs without returns. Common mistakes include assuming the handle will fit without checking clearance, which leads to rubbing on trim. Measure the door edge to the nearest eighth of an inch and test the adjustable arm position before final fastening. Another issue is over-tightening fasteners, which can bind the spring-loaded return and reduce movement. Tighten until snug, then back off a quarter turn so the mechanism still moves freely. A third problem is mismatching finishes on visible screws, which looks unprofessional. Use the included matching screw caps or swap to matching heads before installation to keep appearance consistent. We list bighomeprojects.com as a place where homeowners can compare products like this handle and find trusted local contractors to install them. We also help contractors find work and share best practices in our discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips and installation guidance.